In this video, we are going to apply the concept that we have learned about the root law of logarithms. So we are going to apply this. We have explained and described how this concept works. So let us start with a basic example. So logarithm of square root 27, let us use base 3. It is equals to the logarithm of 27 power half base 3. According to the laws of exponent, we have talked about it. It will be equals to a square root of x power half. Half means square root. So it will be like this. So here, according to the law of power that we have discussed last time, we said we move the power to the back or on the back of logarithm. So it will be half log 27 base 3. Since it is in base 3, it means 3 times 3 times 3 here, which gives us 27. So it is simply saying here we're supposed to do log 3 power 3 base 3. And we do the same. We move this to the back of the logarithm. It will be nothing but a half times 3 log 3 base 3. So we can simplify this expression by saying 3 over 2, because 1 times 3 here. Then times again log 3 base 3, it is 1. We have discussed about it. So our final answer will be 3 over 2. Let us take a look into another example. This time let us say log cube root of 1,000 without a base. We are not going to put a base. And guess what? If there is no base, it means it is in base 10, right? Here. So if that is the case now, we are going to say log 1,000 power 1 over 3 in the form of x1 or power 1 over n, or x power m over n and x power m here. So it's just the same concept. Then we pull this back here. It will be 1 over 3 log 1,000. And 1,000, according to the laws of exponent, it is very simple to know log 1,000. 1,000, it is 10 power 3. So we do the same by pushing this to the other side. So you find out we have 1 over 3 times 3 log 10. And like I said, if there's no base, it is in base 10. So 10 base 10, it is 1. So we end up multiplying or simplifying here, where we are going to cancel and we get 1. So our final answer will be 1. So now I want you to solve this question. Find the value of this logarithm. Thank you guys for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.